You are going to love the 2018 Impala. The Impala has been one of America's favorites for over 50 years. Enough said. And is priced below $20,000. This vehicle has less than 35,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, alloy wheels, brake assist, four-wheel disc brakes, Sirius satellite radio, low tire pressure warning, tachometer, overhead console, panic alarm, passenger vanity mirror. Take this vehicle for a spin and see why so many shoppers are now proud owners.